We're going to explain why you might get the agreeing to the Xcode iOS license requires admin privileges error and how to fix it. This error pops up because Xcode, Apple's development environment for iOS apps, needs administrator-level access to install components and modify system files. It's a security measure to prevent accidental or malicious changes to your system. Here's a breakdown of the common causes and solutions. 1. Insufficient user privileges. The most straightforward reason is that you're not logged in as an administrator. On macOS, you need to be an administrator account to grant Xcode the necessary permissions. If you're using a standard user account, you'll need to switch to an administrator account or have an administrator grant you the permissions. 2. Damaged Xcode installation. Sometimes, a corrupted Xcode installation can prevent it from requesting administrative access properly. Reinstalling Xcode is often the solution. Before you reinstall, make sure to completely uninstall the existing version, including any associated files and preferences, to avoid conflicts. Use the App Cleaner or similar application to perform a thorough uninstallation before installing a fresh copy from the Mac App Store. 3. System permissions issues. Occasionally, issues within macOS's permission system can cause this problem. Running a disk utility to repair disk permissions might help resolve underlying issues. First, back up your important files. Then open Disk Utility, found in Applications Utilities, select your startup disk, and click First Aid. Let the utility check and repair any detected issues. 4. Third-party software interference. Rarely conflicting software or security tools can interfere with Xcode's access requests. Temporarily disabling firewalls or other security applications can help determine if they're the culprit. If disabling a specific application resolves the issue, you might need to configure that application to allow Xcode access. 5. Incorrect password. When prompted for your administrator password, double-check for typos. Incorrect password entries will repeatedly fail the permission request. If you've forgotten your password, you'll need to reset it through your system's account recovery options. This usually involves answering security questions or using a recovery key. 6. Full disk space. If your hard drive or SSD is almost full, Xcode might fail to write the necessary files. Free up some disk space by deleting unnecessary files or moving large files to an external drive. This gives Xcode the space it needs to complete the installation and permission requests. Following these steps should get Xcode running and successfully granting you access to the necessary licenses. Remember to always back up your data before undertaking any major system changes or reinstalling software. If none of these solutions work, consider searching for more specific troubleshooting guides related to your version of Xcode and macOS.